Hi guys! In this video I will show you how to do this warm brown smoky eye makeup. It is very easy to achieve and I have also applied brown lipstick and I really like them together. As always, don't forget to subscribe to get notified for my latest videos, and without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So I will take the same highlighter that I have highlighted my face and I will use it for my brow bone highlighter. Next, I will use the Desert Dusk palette by Huda Beauty. I will take eyeshadow Eden and I will apply it in my crease. I will blend it into my crease and also a little bit towards my brow bone highlighter to make everything look more natural. This color gives a very nice natural warmth to the skin. Next, I will take eyeshadow Blazing and I will also apply it into my crease, but I will try not to blend it towards my brow bone. I will try to keep the color into the crease and blend it very well. So I always place my brush in my outer corner of my eye and then I blend it towards my crease. I will blend the color towards my iris, but I will not blend it into my inner corner. Also blend the color outwards to elongate the eyes. Don't worry if some of the color gets on the eyelid, because we will apply a darker color so it will not be visible. Also, with whatever is left on our brush, very lightly we blend the inner part so we don't bring the vibrant orange color into our inner corner. So if you have wide set eyes, you can bring the color into your inner corner so you will make your eyes closer together. But I have already closed set eyes, my eyes are closer together, so I always try with my techniques to elongate the eyes and make them look a little further away from each other. I hope that it makes sense. I will clean my brush on a tissue and after that I will blend one more time the edges of the orange eyeshadow. Now it's time to get dark and I will take the eyeshadow OUD and I will apply it all over my eyelid with a flat brush. And I will place the color first on the middle of my eyelid. And I will blend it everywhere except the inner corner. With tapping motions, I will place the color first and then I will blend it on my eyelid so we don't have any fallout. Also, with whatever is left on your brush, bring it into the crease, and with whatever is left on your brush, just bring a little bit of product in the inner corner, but not a lot. I will take one more time eyeshadow OUD and I will tap it again. Then I'm taking a crease brush and with no additional product I will blend the edges. After that I will take the same brush and I will take eyeshadow Blazing and I will apply a little bit more into my crease. After that, I clean my brush on a tissue and I will take again eyeshadow Eden and I will apply it in my inner corner to blend the edges. And we don't have any fallout from the eyeshadows, I love that. So with an angled brush, I will take eyeshadow OUD and I will apply it all over my lower lash line. I also try to blend the color with the tip of my brush. Then I'm taking a flat eyeshadow brush and with the tip of the brush I take eyeshadow Blazing and I apply it very close to the brown eyeshadow. To intensify my lower lash line a little bit more, I will apply one more time the eyeshadow OUD very close to my lashes. And with no additional product I take the same eyeshadow brush and I blend the edges. In my inner corner I will use eyeshadow Cashmere. After that, I will apply black eye pencil into my waterline and I will also try to tightline my eyes. I will also apply eyeliner and I will use a Catrice liquid liner in Dating Joe Black. For lashes, I will use a Paradise Exotic by L'Oreal. So for lips, I will use the Ultra Satin Lip by Colourpop in the color Mess Around. chocolatey. So this is the finished look. I hope that you liked it. All the products that I have used, you can find them in the description box below. If you found this video informative or entertaining, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!